FIFA doesn't just pick a catchy song. They engineer a streaming weapon. Die Die isn't just a track, it's a calculated asset. So why this specific combo? Shakira and Burna Boy. Here's the part nobody tells you. It's pure geopolitical data. Shakira locks in Latin America. Burna Boy dominates the massive streaming surge coming out of Africa. You're not crossing markets, you're merging them. But here's what's wild. The real strategy isn't the artists. It's the volume. FIFA wants exactly 5 billion streams during this World Cup, which means the algorithm is everything. Think about that. 5 billion. So what actually happened? They built a track optimized for short-form video. Wait, actually. Yes. The hook is under 8 seconds. You hear it once and it's stuck in your skull. And honestly, the math is brutal. Already, over 495,000 lyric videos exist for this song. That means faceless channels are fighting a war. But the sheer volume proves the demand hasn't saturated yet. You have to differentiate. The winning channels aren't just dumping lyrics. They're adding tactical breakdowns, player reactions, stadium atmospheres right beside the text. Let that sink in. The music is just the anchor. The context is the product. What did the soccer ball say to the goalie? I'm glowing tonight. I know. But seriously, subscribe. Next up, I'm breaking down the top 3 faceless channel formats dominating this world.